Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video brought to you by BlockSurety. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of setting up a new network on MetaMask. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing to do is, if you've never used MetaMask Wallet before, is on your browser, whether it's Google or Microsoft Edge or Brave browser, do a search for MetaMask, and it's going to bring up the ability to download an extension onto your browser. And so in this case, you can see here, I've already typed in MetaMask. I've already, on the right-hand side, it says remove, which means I've already went ahead and added it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And you're going to see this button that says get. And a lot of the browsers are going to look very similar in terms of being able to download the browser. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get. It's going to go ahead and I clicked on add extension. And so it's going to go ahead and download the program onto your browser. And you'll see it on the top right-hand side of most of the browsers. See if I can expand this a little bit higher, so you'll be able to see this. Okay, so it looks like it went ahead and downloaded the browser. And so now this little icon here is the extensions, and you can see there, I went ahead and clicked on MetaMask. Now let's just let it go ahead and get ready to set up a new wallet. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Agree to MetaMask's Terms of Service. And then you've got a button here that says Create a New Wallet. Second button is Import an Existing Wallet. Now, for this tutorial, we are just going to focus on creating a brand new wallet as if you've never used MetaMask before. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Agree. I'm going to go ahead and create a password for the MetaMask wallet. And you do want to have a secure password to enter here. Go ahead and click on I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So before we move forward, you want to go ahead and make a note of this password somewhere, either written down or preferably written down and also stored somewhere that is safe, that no one has access to your passwords. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create a New Wallet now. And it's going to give a little tutorial on how to secure your wallet. And at this moment, we're not really going to focus here. We're going to go ahead and click on Secure My Wallet. And you can see here it shows make sure nobody's looking and reveal secret recovery phrase. Now, what this is going to do is when you click on reveal the phrase, you're going to notice number 1 through 12, and you're going to notice a word next to each number. And it's extremely important to keep track of this number and the word associated with that number. As an example, I'll show you in just a minute here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this to a clipboard. I am going to go ahead and store it on a different file. Now, you do not want to lose these recovery phrases. This is your only way back in. If you were to lose your password, this is going to be your only way back in. And you do not want to lose access to your wallet that has coins in it, because if you can't get access to the wallet, no one's going to be able to help you either. So I've made a note of the phrase, and now let me see if I can scroll down a little bit. So I'm going to click the next button. And so now it's coming up. It wants me to enter the word associated with number 3, which is why you need to keep track of this. I mentioned the number and the word associated with that number. So I'm going ahead and typing in the appropriate word. And so now when I hit confirm, it's going to verify that I've entered this in properly. And if so, then I'll have access to be able to restore a wallet if I lost my password. Click confirm. It says wallet creation successful, and click on got it. MetaMask install is complete. Click on the next button. Click on done. And I'm going to go ahead and click on enhanced transaction, or excuse me, you can't see that, but let me see if I can move that up. Enhanced transaction protection. I'm just going to go ahead and click on enable. And now I'm actually in the wallet, and we can see it's defaulted to Ethereum mainnet. So what we're wanting to do is we want to add a new network onto the MetaMask wallet. And there's two ways to do that. If you see on the top left-hand side the Ethereum mainnet and your drop-down button, you're going to see another option here to add a network. So you can add a network that way. The other way is if you don't see on the top left-hand side this drop-down menu, you can click on the three dots on the top right-hand side, click on Settings, click on Networks, and then you can see here add a network. Now, once we're here, I'm going to go back to the first option. I'm going to go to the top left-hand side drop-down menu, add a network. It's going to take me to the same exact page. At the bottom, I'm going to click on add a network manually. And now it's going to ask you for some information to enter in. Now, from the pre-sale website that you have been on, or that you're going to, or excuse me, that you're on now, you're going to see on the top-hand side of the website, you're going to see frequently asked questions. So once you click on that, it's going to take you all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you're looking for option number 4. How do you add the BSURE token to a wallet? Click the plus sign, and now here's the data that you're going to enter. So I'm first going to do a copy and a paste, going back to my MetaMask wallet, and I'm going to do a paste here. Next is we want to enter new RPC URL. We're going to go back to the pre-sale website. The next line here starts with HTTPS. You want to copy this entire URL. And so we do a copy there. We're going to go back to the MetaMask wallet. We're going to do a paste. And so everything is good there. I always go to the start and then do a backspace just to make sure I have no spaces in there. And then the chain ID, once again, we're going to go back to the pre-sale website that you're on, and we see it's 484, and don't have to copy and paste. I'm just going to go back to MetaMask, type in 484, and then the currency symbol is BSURE, and then the last website to enter in is the Explorer that keeps track of all the transactions that happen on our blockchain. And that address I'm pasting in right now, https://blocksurety.net. And this is exactly the way it needs to be entered in on the MetaMask wallet. And then right below that, I'll show you, you're going to see a cancel and a save. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. It says network added successfully. And then in blue, switch to BlockSurety. So now it's switching, and now you can see top left-hand side is BlockSurety, no tokens. Now, through the pre-sale website, when you have completed the purchase, you are going to see these BSURE tokens show up in your MetaMask wallet after a short period of time. And so at this point, you've successfully created a MetaMask wallet. You've successfully entered a new network so that your BSURE tokens will end up in your MetaMask wallet. And if you have any additional questions or if any issues arise in going through this process, please contact our support, and you'll see that from our pre-sale website on who you can talk to in regards to any problems that come up. Appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thank you for your support.